Hey, good morning. Before your day begins. Before everything gets busy. Just take a few minutes. And speak some English. This is day 8. Of your 30-day challenge. And today, we're going to practice. Real family life English. So don't think too much. Just listen. Repeat. And imagine your daily life. Let's start with your morning routine. Repeat after me. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Get out of bed and get ready for the day. Get out of bed and get ready for the day. Get out of bed and get ready for the day. Let's check the weather today. Let's check the weather today. Let's check the weather today. It looks cloudy today. It looks cloudy today. It looks cloudy today. It might rain later. It might rain later. It might rain later. We should take our umbrellas. We should take our umbrellas. We should take our umbrellas. It's a little windy outside. It's a little windy outside. It's a little windy outside. But it's still a nice morning. But it's still a nice morning. But it's still a nice morning. Now go brush your teeth. Now go brush your teeth. Now go brush your teeth. Get dressed and come downstairs. Get dressed and come downstairs. Get dressed and come downstairs. Good, that's how a real morning sounds. Now let's talk about breakfast at home. What are we having for breakfast? What are we having for breakfast? What are we having for breakfast? We're having eggs and bagels. We're having eggs and bagels. We're having eggs and bagels. We also have a fruit smoothie. We also have a fruit smoothie. We also have a fruit smoothie. Can I help make the smoothie? Can I help make the smoothie? Can I help make the smoothie? Add milk, strawberries, and blueberries. Add milk, strawberries, and blueberries. Add milk, strawberries, and blueberries. Blend everything until smooth. Blend everything until smooth. Blend everything until smooth. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Let's eat and get going. Let's eat and get going. Let's eat and get going. Nice, simple and natural. Now imagine it's a cleaning day at home. Today we are cleaning the house. Today we are cleaning the house. Today we are cleaning the house. We will throw away things we don't need. We will throw away things we don't need. We will throw away things we don't need. We will donate some items. We will donate some items. We will donate some items. Clean your room properly. Clean your room properly. Clean your room properly. Put everything in the right place. Put everything in the right place. Put everything in the right place. Make your bed neatly. Make your bed neatly. Make your bed neatly. Vacuum the room and dust the shelves. Vacuum the room and dust the shelves. Vacuum the room and dust the shelves. Clean under the bed as well. Clean under the bed as well. Clean under the bed as well. Good, now you can give instructions clearly. Now let's talk about organizing your home. We have too many things. We have too many things. We have too many things. Let's make 3 groups. Let's make 3 groups. Let's make 3 groups. Keep, donate, or throw away. Keep, donate, or throw away. Keep, donate, or throw away. This creates more space. This creates more space. This creates more space. We can also have a garage sale. We can also have a garage sale. We can also have a garage sale. Good, very practical English. Now let's decide what to eat for dinner. What should we eat for dinner? What should we eat for dinner? What should we eat for dinner? I feel too tired to cook today. I feel too tired to cook today. I feel too tired to cook today. Let's order some food. Let's order some food. Let's order some food. Maybe we can order pizza. Maybe we can order pizza. Maybe we can order pizza. I like pepperoni pizza. I like pepperoni pizza. I like pepperoni pizza. I prefer chicken pizza. I prefer chicken pizza. I prefer chicken pizza. Let's watch a movie while eating. Let's watch a movie while eating. Let's watch a movie while eating. Good, that feels real. Now let's practice grocery shopping. Can you go grocery shopping for me? Can you go grocery shopping for me? Can you go grocery shopping for me? We need vegetables and milk. We need vegetables and milk. We need vegetables and milk. Buy fresh fish and some fruit. Buy fresh fish and some fruit. Buy fresh fish and some fruit. Get apples and bananas. Get apples and bananas. Get apples and bananas. Don't forget to buy bread. Don't forget to buy bread. Don't forget to buy bread. The shopping list is long today. The shopping list is long today. The shopping list is long today. Good, everyday English. Now let's talk about fixing things at home. The dryer is not working. The dryer is not working. The dryer is not working. We need to fix it. We need to fix it. We need to fix it. I think I can repair it myself. I think I can repair it myself. I think I can repair it myself. It just needs a small part. It just needs a small part. It just needs a small part. Now it works perfectly. Now it works perfectly. Now it works perfectly. Good, problem-solving English. Finally, let's talk about money and saving. We spent too much money this month. We spent too much money this month. We spent too much money this month. We need to save more. We need to save more. We need to save more. Let's check our expenses. Let's check our expenses. Let's check our expenses. We should spend less on eating out. We should spend less on eating out. We should spend less on eating out. We can cook more at home. We can cook more at home. We can cook more at home. Turn off unused devices. Turn off unused devices. Turn off unused devices. Use less energy every day. Use less energy every day. Use less energy every day. Perfect, that's real-life English. And that's it. You just completed day 8. Today, you didn't just practice English. You practiced real life. Come back tomorrow for day 9. Stay consistent. Keep speaking. You're improving every single day. I'll see you tomorrow.